So, did humans really go to the moon, or is this one of the biggest lies in history that the whole world somehow accepted? Based on official records, photographs, moon rock samples, independent scientific data, and confirmation from scientists all over the world, humans really did walk on the moon between 1969 and 1972. Not just once, 6 Apollo missions took people to the lunar surface. These are facts supported by experts, research, and multiple scientific fields. But when you look more closely at history, you start noticing some strange and lesser known details that really make you stop and think. Fact number 1: the shockingly fast pace of technological progress. In 1903, the New York Times published an article titled "Flying Machines Which Do Not Fly," claiming it would take anywhere from 1 to 10 million years for humans to build a flying machine. 2 months later, the Wright brothers completed the first successful flight, and just 66 years after that, in 1969, humans were standing on the moon. That gap between prediction and reality still makes scientists pause. From a 12-second flight in the early 19s to walking on the moon in less than a century. Fact number 2: the first astronauts flew without GPS or modern computers. When Apollo 11 launched, the onboard computers were weaker than a basic pocket calculator today. Think about that. Navigation, landing, and return calculations were hand-led by a system about the size of a home refrigerator. Our phones today are thousands of times more powerful. Fact number 3: no crewed mission to the moon since 1972. The last time humans walked on the moon was Apollo 17 in 1972. More than 50 years have passed and no crewed mission has returned. That raises a fair question. With overall technological progress, why haven't we gone back? The scientific answer is fairly straightforward: extremely high costs, shifting priorities, focus on robotic missions, and interest in Mars. Fact number 4: strange social realities at the same time. When Apollo 11 landed on the moon, women in Switzerland still did not have nationwide voting rights until 1971. In parts of the United States, interracial marriage was still illegal. NASA itself had only been around for a few years, founded in 1958. Human zoos still existed in the world, exhibitions where real people were displayed to the public. The contrast between advanced technology and the slow social progress at that time is hard to ignore. Fact number 5: moon rocks and independent testing, one of the strongest scientific proofs that humans went to the moon. Rock samples brought back that are clearly different from Earth rocks. Analysis by independent scientists, not just NASA. Instruments placed on the moon such as laser reflectors that researchers around the world still use today. These are real physical pieces of evidence separate from any conspiracy talk. Fact number 6: photos and videos from multiple sources. In later decades, satellites and spacecraft from different countries, not only NASA, photographed the moon's surface. Some even captured the exact landing sites from orbit. That means visual evidence exists from several independent sources. Fact number 7: historical curiosity, no search engines. In 1969, there was no internet, no smartphones, no social media, and no home computers. All data, images, and calculations had to be handled manually and physically. Many people still wonder how something this complex was pulled off with such limited tools. When you put all of this together, it creates an unusual feeling. The speed of technological progress, no crewed return for over 50 years, a big gap between technical ability and social development. Solid scientific evidence that still leaves room for new questions. So the question comes up again: did humans really go to the moon? Scientifically, based on reliable evidence, yes they did, but when you look closer, it's natural to ask, how did we manage it? Why didn't we repeat it? What parts of it are still unclear? If you watched this video to the end, write in the comments what you think. Did we really go to the moon or not and why? And if you're interested, let us know what you want next. Hidden facts about Apollo or a closer look at why we haven't returned to the moon yet. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The next videos will cover some seriously strange facts.